welcome to game time. We're doing this at night.
Yeah, we're gonna open the Bluey and Friends box. Ready?
Good.
This is good for ages. It's exactly his size. I'm at his age because it's free. He's 3 years old. So, Mason, why don't you open it?
Okay.
All right, let's see what you get.
I'll get all of them.
Yeah, you'll get all of them. Want to help you?
No.
All right. Tear it. Oh, finger. Here, watch. Finger jam out. Rip that part, all right?
Okay.
As hard as you can.
Can I Okay.
Can I rip it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Beast! Open! We did it! All right, now. We did it! Oh, let's open it. Oh, Mason. These are...
We get all of them.
Oh, we go. Look, Mason.
They're all outside.
Yeah, look. How do we get them out? Oh, you got one. This looks like Leonard.
No. I'll take his glasses off. His glasses off.
This one's Bluey. This one's, it's Coco.
Maybe it's
And Honey. And Snickers. Hope you enjoy the video, guys.